Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a short video that helps you with question 1 and 2 on your word problems worksheet. So it says solve the word problem using a system of linear equations. So we know we're going to have a set of two equations that we're going to have to solve either by graphing, substitution, or elimination. Okay, so number 1 says a farmhouse shelters 23 animals. Some are pigs and some are ducks. Altogether, there are 80 legs. How many of each animal are there? So we need to think, I have pigs and I have ducks. So I have two different kinds of animals there. So let's make pigs our x's and ducks our y's. Okay. Then the other thing that it talks about is how many legs we have. Well, think about it. How many legs does a pig have? So a pig is going to have 4 legs. So 4 legs for every pig, and a duck has 2 legs, so 2 legs for every duck. Okay, and there are 23 animals total. So I know my number of pigs plus my number of ducks should equal 23. I also know that my number of legs, so 4 legs for every pig, plus 2 legs for every duck, total legs is 80, so equals 80. Okay, from that point, I would figure out which way you like to solve best. So remember, you can graph them, you can use substitution, or you can use elimination. Remember, elimination is the one that we've used most recently, where you would multiply by something on top. Maybe you multiply by a -4. Okay. And then that way your x's cancel. But remember, it is up to you. So if you like substitution better, use substitution. But use those 2 green equations in order to help you with number 1. Okay, number 2 says Kaylee bought 6 books for a total of $154. So already I know I have a total and a total. So total number of books, total cost. Math books cost $27 and English books cost $23. How many of each type of book did she buy? Okay, so here are what I'm talking about. I have math books. So my math books, let's make those our x. They're $27 a piece. So 27 times however many books I'm buying that are math books. Then I also have my English books. English books, let's make y. And English books are $23 a piece. Okay, so at this point, you can almost make this into a table. Okay, so I know X math books plus Y English books should give me 6 total. So I can add those together and set it equal to 6. So that looks like X plus Y equals 6. And my second one, my 27X plus 23Y should equal my total money, 154. So my second equation looks like 27X plus 23y equals 154. Okay? And again, solve however you like. So if you're like, I'm going to keep using elimination until I'm done with it, multiply by a -27 so that way when you distribute that to everything, your x's will cancel. Okay? You could also multiply by a -23 to get your y's to cancel. If you like graphing, grab some graph paper from the shelf, graph everything, and then find your answer that way. Okay, I hope this helps you guys figure out your 5 word problems on your worksheet. Once you have all 5, feel free to check it in the book and then turn it in. I'll see you guys when I get back. Bye.